Hi everyone, welcome. So in this video we will going to discuss like what are the benefits of the digital marketing. So the first part, the first one, the global reach means you can reach a worldwide audience. Means you will not limit it to a particular location like only Delhi, in only Gurgaon location. You can target your product. You can promotion of your products, your services. So through the digital marketing, you can promote your products worldwide. Targeted advertising means in that you can target audience based on their interest behavior. Suppose if you want to sell the shoes, so you can target on the basis of that, like they need the formal shoes, they need the casual, they need the party wear. On the basis of their interest, you can target them. If you are in the construction company, so you can target they need your service through the ads. After that, the cost effective means you doesn't often cheaper than traditional marketing method. Like we are doing the traditional marketing, suppose we created a poster and apply it on the road or highway, so that will be the cost worthy. And in the digital marketing, what you can do, you can run the Facebook ads, and from the Facebook ads, so you can also select the targeted audience. From that, the revenue, the cost of acquiring, cost of messaging will be low. So the measurable result, track and measure the success of the campaign in real times, means whatever you are working, you can measure your result, like where your ad is performing, which category of the people showing the viewing the ads, like the age group you can identify, so you can track your records of the ads. After that, the personalization will be there, like through the digital marketing, you can send the personalized marketing message to the individual user. Customer engagement will be there, like you can directly interact with the customer through social media and emails. Flexibility and adaptability will be there. Quickly adjust campaign based on the performance. Suppose if the campaign is not performing well, so you can definitely make change in the campaign and make the campaign better than from the previous. So this is the main benefit of the digital marketing. Like this will be the cost cheaper, and if you run a Facebook campaign, so you can target audience based on their interest, based on their behavior. And same, if you can also track the your progress of the campaign. If you are not satisfied with the campaigns, you can definitely change the campaign and apply the changes in the campaign. So this is the benefit of the digital marketing. If you have any question or query, you can ask in the comment section. We will definitely reply for that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.